My name is Paul, and today I'm going to share about my experience how I style my kaftan dress as a petite girl. Before I start this video, I want to um, tell my height, that is 153 cm. In feet, it is 5 feet 1 inch approximately. If you falls in this category of height, then please do follow these tricks, and it really helps because I am sharing my own experience here. So now let's talk about how some fabulous tips and tricks on how to style kaftan dress to flatter every body type, whether you are curvy, petite, or have an athletic figure. There is a kaftan style out there that will make you look fabulous and feel amazing and comfortable too. And I feel everyone should have one kaftan dress in their wardrobe because it's really comfortable and I really love it. So let's dive right in. Firstly, to understand your body type is the first step to finding the perfect kaftan that accentuate your best features. First of all, we will cover few body types, means basic body types. Number one is hourglass, apple shape, pear shape, rectangular shape, and last, inverted triangle body type. Now that we have a good understanding of body types, let's move on to the fun part, exploring different kaftan style that suits each body type. Hourglass, number one, hourglass body type. For this type of body, you have to highlight the waist with a belt. It's must. And emphasize the curve with fitted or a wrap style kaftan. Number two, apple body type. First and foremost, opting for A-line kaftan to create the balance of this type of bodies, and choosing V neckline or plunging neckline to elongate the torso. Please follow this really helps. Number three, pear shape body type. Selecting kaftan with detailed or embellished upper body to draw attention. Opting for kaftan with flared or flowy sleeve to add volume to the upper body because it's a pear shape. So you have seen the pictures how pear shape body likes, because the upper torso is a smaller and the lower torso is big, so you need to balance this both the torso, then you look more flattering. So please keep in mind. Number four, rectangular body type. For this body type, defining the waist with belt is must. So it's clinch the kaftan from the waist. And to add dimension with kaftan, featuring patterns, ruffles, or a layered details, means you can try more printed kaftans, or which is having ruffles at their sleeve or the neck, or a layered. It's a really flattering for this type of bodies. And the last one is the inverted triangle body type, to balance the proportion with kaftan that creates volume in the lower body because it's inverted, so lower body is much more smaller than the upper body. So opting for kaftan with wide leg or a flare skirt, you can pair it with Basically this kaftan you can wear, you don't have to wear full length like ankle length or knee length. You can go till knee or below knee, so that you can paired with a palazzo or a wide leg pant or a flared skirt, or yeah, or different full length like long skirts you can paired with. So it's really balanced, and it gives a different look to the entire outfit. So this is all the 5 body types and how you can wear kaftan according to your body. Now you have to figure out which body type you falls among these 5, and then figure out what type of kaftan you will look good. So like, I hope you understand why it is so important to understand your body and your type of body. So once you understand your body type, then it's very easy to wear outfit and which looks very flattering on you. Okay, so we are coming to the last sections of our video. No outfit is complete without accessories, right? Yes. Accessorizing plays a crucial role in elevating any outfit of ours, including kaftan dresses. Maybe it is loose, but it is outfit. Here I will share small styling tips and accessories suggested that completes and enhance the overall look of kaftan. Like you can use belt, as I mentioned before. You can use statement jewelries as per your likings, small, big, or pearl, or a diamond, or a stone studs, or some hoops you can wear. So just make sure it doesn't go over the board. It's always balance your outfit with your accessories. And the more important is the footwear choice, especially me, because you know my height. So I always keep in mind what type of footwear I should wear, because after lot of hit and try, after buying lot of footwears, now I have nearly about 4 to 5, which is I know this will go with any kind of dress or any kind of outfit, any kind of pants, denims, anything. So you have to, and footwear, choosing your footwear is also very important according to your height, because your height is one of the main thing in outfit, in any kind of accessories. Because if you are short heighted, then you have to choose your footwear very carefully. And even handbags, so please be careful with your footwear and handbags if you falls under below 5 feet 4 inch height. I hope you enjoy today's video. Do not forget to let me know in the comment box which body type you have and which kaftan style resonate with you the most, because maybe I can help you more discovering your bodies, what type of body and what type of styles it will look good on you. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Stay stylish. Thank you.